guys, welcome back. So today we are diving into another uncharted category that I haven't tried yet. It is 3 very basic but yet very beautiful hairstyles. So this is again not something that I know of, like I can't do professional hairstyles and curls and all those beautiful things. But these 3 hairstyles are very handy when it comes to parties or it comes to family functions or it comes to any other celebration for that matter. So today I thought I'll share it with you. It might be useful for the coming wedding season and the coming festivities. So without any further ado, let me jump into the requirements. So things you need for today's hairstyle are super basic. So you need a comb, obviously, some hair ties. Make sure you have nice elastic bands. They should not harm your hair. Also try not to have them in a colored variant. Try having them in black so that they camouflage with the hair, and any hair clips that you like. So these could be bobby pins, they could be sliders, these could be the TikTok clips, whatever you use on the daily. So these are the only 3 things that you need for today's tutorial. So it's only fair to begin by telling you what my hair type is. So my hair are super straight, super silky. So it's actually quite a struggle for me to make any hairstyle stick to my hair. मतलब every function मेरा हर बार का रोना यही होता है कि मेरा कोई hairstyle नहीं दिखता है, and maximum that a hairstyle is survived on my head is 1 hour, I think, and those beautiful curls tend to open up. तो मतलब काफी struggle करता है. But these hairstyles are pretty easy, so I can do them up immediately as soon as they come off. Other than that, these hairstyles can work for any length. Because the two of the 3 hairstyles that I'll be showing you are only front hairstyles, so it can work for mid-length, for longer hair, or even for shorter hair. Unless मतलब आपके बहुत ही छोटे बाल हैं which can't be braided or which can't be turned into. Other than that, I think all hair types and all hair lengths and all age groups can try these hairstyles.
Alright, so the first hairstyle is like an upturned ponytail. So all you need is a comb and a rubber band. So for this, we'll start by tying the pony at the absolute bottom, like एकदम गले के पास tie the pony. Make sure it's neat and make sure it's tight. Very important. After you're done with that, section the ponytail. So above the rubber band, put a finger and section the ponytail in 2 parts. The rubber band is tight, so pull it down a little. Make sure कि नीचे से you have a space to put 1 or 2 fingers. And the next step is to push your ponytail through that section. नीचे से take the ponytail and bring it out of that section. After doing that, of course, fine it up and tighten it up. Buff out those 2 sections and you're done with a very beautiful ponytail. It's not a very elaborate hairstyle, but it's just a very interesting take on a otherwise normal and boring ponytail. So yeah, it really amps up your look.
Alright, so the second hairstyle is my absolute favorite. It's my absolute go-to and it's super easy to do. For this, you only need pins. That's it. Like however many you need to secure your hairstyle, that's the amount of pins you need, and a comb, of course, and that's about it. Let me show you how it is done.
Alright, so for this, I'll come closer to the camera. So for this hairstyle, we are working with only the front, like basically hair near the hairline. That is the total hair that we are working with. So take a little part of it, comb it out well. Not a very thick part of the hair, but something that you can twist easily. So now we'll start twisting. When I say we twist, we basically just twist, as you are seeing. मतलब कुछ rocket science बिल्कुल नहीं है. Now to this, we'll add a very little section of the front hair and twist that into that twisties that was already happening. We'll add more hair and keep twisting till we reach the ear. You can keep going with this twists for as long as you want, but I like to just touch the ear and then that's about it for me, because इस hairstyle से ना एक बहुत ही beautiful pulled back hair band type of look comes. So that's the reason why we are working with a very less section of the hair. We are not taking much. क्योंकि basically सिर्फ बाल को पीछे अच्छे से pin करना है. So now I'll take my 2 bobby pins and I will put them and I'll secure the twists. Pin them well, make sure it's secured in place. Use 3, 4, 5, however many pins you need to, and cover it up, and voila, you are done. It's a very beautiful hairstyle. As you see, the twists have come very well. I'm mighty impressed. In addition to this is just pull it up a little, like don't pull it too much, otherwise the pins might come loose, but just pull it and it will look beautiful.
Alright, so the next hairstyle that I'm going to show you is just a more modified or a more technical way of doing what I just did, the twirls. So this is just a braided way of doing this. It's again gives a very very formal look to the entire whatever ensemble that you're wearing, whatever clothes you're wearing. It just ties it all together. If you know how to braid, it's very easy for you. If not, I'll try to teach you, but I will give it my best shot. I hope you understand it and it helps you. So of course, for this also you only need bobby pins or slider pins or whatever you use to secure your hair in place.
Acha ji, so this hairstyle is very similar to what we just did, but it's a braided version of it. And if you don't know how to do braids, you might want to watch this video and then re-watch it, because it will take time to get used to braiding. So for this again we'll take a segment of our hair, but this time we'll take a thicker segment. So make sure that the width is somewhere around the length of your finger, because braids hair, so we need to work with the thicker band of hair. So now when the section is divided, divide it further into 3 strands. That's the basic of braiding. So the front, the middle and the back. So to begin with, you first will take the front over the middle, then you will take the back over the front, and that's how you braid. Keep tightening up the braids as we go, क्योंकि जब पिन करते हो तो braids generally loose हो जाती हैं. So for the next step, we'll combine the front 2 strands together and make them one. So now in hand we have 2, and from the front hairline we'll take the 3rd strand. So this is a new strand, but now it has become the 3rd strand. Don't worry, I know it looks complicated, but if you try it, it will work out for you. Now we'll continue braiding like we were doing it before, and we will again do what we did. Combine the front 2 strands together, make them one, and take a new strand. That is your 3rd strand, and continue braiding. You keep doing that till you reach the point that you have to. Again, I will be braiding only till the ear and then continue normal braiding and pin it up. If you have thicker and heavier hair, you might want to first secure the braid with a rubber band and then pin it up. क्योंकि मेरे बाल बहुत पतले और बहुत लाइट हैं, so this only pinning it up works well for me. Again, like I said for the last hairstyle, pin it up well, make sure it's secured in place, and pull the braids a little, so that just gives it a more beautiful look. The braids look more fluffy, and that just adds to the entire look.
Specific hairstyle, I have used this in the past on whosoever has asked me to do their hairdo for weddings especially. So when my sister got married, I was the one who did her makeup and her hair for her cocktail. So I will insert a picture of what it looked like, because after doing the braid, I had put on some little beauty pieces. So basically these are these silver balls that I had put, so it just enhanced the entire look, because her dress was this nice silver and a blue dress, so it contrasted pretty well with that. It's so easy to do. Little trial, little errors, because I know braids can be very daunting and can be very difficult, but they're actually pretty easy once you get a hang of it. And this actually stays for quite a long time. Other than that, I have a side parting, so I do one side. If you are somebody who can carry a middle partition of your hair, I think if you braid from both sides and pin it together at the back, so it gives a very nice crown sort of a look. So try that if you are somebody who can carry a middle parting. I think that look very very pretty on you. So these are the 3 hairstyles that I wanted to teach you today. I sincerely hope you give them a try and you do that, and please, like literally begging you, send me a picture if you do try them. I would love to see it, and they're actually not very very difficult to know, as you have seen. And instantly पूरा look, it ties the entire look together and काफी the hair stays in place. So ये तीनों hairstyle ऐसे हैं that if you have put that, you can dance, you can do whatever and hair will not bother your face. So these are absolutely tried and tested क्योंकि हम at least as a family we dance a lot. So you know ऐसा hairstyle बहुत ज़रूरी होता है which secures the hair कि मुंह पे बाल ना आए when you're dancing, and it can become a mess. But with these hairstyles I am very sure you will stay absolutely carefree throughout the functions or whatever you have to attend. If you like these kind of videos or if you want me to do more hairstyles, please let me know. I would love to hear what you have to say. Other than that, please keep showing love. Drop in comments, drop in likes, whatever you have, because it really, really motivates me. Take care of yourselves, guys. Loads of love always. Bye.